What diet is it necessary to prevent stroke? How should dairy products be treated in this regard? What dairy products should be used? Watch the video to the end. Find out which dairy products can reduce the risk of stroke. Stroke is a serious disease that often leads to disability of a person and even to more serious consequences. An important preventive means of its development is the observance of a certain diet. What diet is necessary to prevent stroke? With the help of a rational diet, it is possible to reduce the risk of stroke. Nutrition should be selected in accordance with the existing chronic diseases, the intensity of metabolism, the peculiarities of taste and habits of each person. The most rational is the principle of the Mediterranean diet. Eating foods containing healthy fatty acids, primarily olive oil. There are a lot of vegetables, fruits, legumes. Mandatory inclusion in the diet of products from whole grains and bran. Increased consumption of sea fish. Complete rejection of red meat and processed meat, that is sausages and smoked meats. Refusal of any carbonated drinks, sweets, pastries, muffins, bakery products made of premium flour. Restriction of salt use, less than 3 grams per day. How should we treat dairy products? The Mediterranean diet involves moderate use of dairy products. Also, according to the results of studies and observations by scientists from some European countries and the United States, dairy products reduce the risk of stroke in men and women. Dairy products should be included in menu for all people at risk of stroke. The rich vitamin and amino acid composition, the presence of minerals such as calcium and potassium, contribute to the strengthening of vascular walls and blood thinning. Therefore, they will be useful to those who are at risk. And fermented milk products will also improve digestion, increase the activity of the beneficial intestinal microflora, which even better stabilizes the general condition. Do not use low-fat dairy products. They properly contain various additives in excess. It is best to use those in which the normal fat content. Which dairy products are preferable to use? Cheeses, cottage cheese and natural yogurts and kefir have an advantage. They help neutralize free radicals, have the ability to bind many toxins, remove heavy metal compounds, eliminate the effects of stress, and fight insomnia. Useful for blood vessels. Natural yogurt, fermented on a Bulgarian stick. It reduces the concentration of cholesterol in the blood, stimulates the brain. Kefir, based on natural fungal starter culture, is an indispensable tool that improves digestion and normalizes the composition of the intestinal microflora. And proper digestion is the stable operation of blood vessels. Various cheeses are an indispensable tool for stabilizing the work of the whole body, improving the condition of blood vessels, maintaining blood flow. They relieve nervous tension, have a positive effect on the psyche. Cottage cheese is easily digested, helps to fight extra pounds, helps to stabilize blood pressure. The use of other dairy products also has a positive effect on the condition of blood vessels and the work of brain cells. The only additional property that they should have is to be natural, do not contain any chemical additives that improve the taste and prolong the shelf life. Only real farm dairy products really help to keep a person healthy.